Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is WWJD Nick here with Scott.
I'm Scott, WWJD.
Alright, so we have an unboxing to do for you today from Evike.com. As you can see here, it is 12 BBs we got. Alright, so guess we go. This is the Evike warranty. We have some camouflage here. And the product itself here, we have the APS CQB M4. You can see here the minimalist packaging. I don't know how to open this. Well, we have a manual here. Accessories as labeled, which means exploded BBs,
which we love,
and a mag.
high capacity.
See here. All right. We also have a cleaning and jamming rod, which broke in my hands. All right, and the elaborately packaged rifle. It is out.
The beauty.
APS CQB M4.
Full size.